Good Monday afternoon. We're tracking a few storms to our northeast across Greenlee and Graham counties, and as they track to the southwest, potentially moving into Pinal and northeast Pima County. Most of the storms today, though, will just kind of hover over the mountains. Of course, the big story weather-wise nationally is still Harvey, now a tropical storm. Here's a look at the radar loop. You can see still that heavy rain over Houston. It continues to hammer the Houston area. In fact, as the storm moves back out over the Gulf of Mexico sometime today, it's going to round back and make a second landfall by Wednesday along the Texas-Louisiana border. And once again, Houston is expected to pick up double the amount of rain they've already had. So at this point, as of right now, Harvey's winds 45 miles per hour, moving to the east-southeast at 3 miles per hour. That is why it will be taken back out over the Gulf and could potentially become a hurricane once again as it feeds off of the warm waters of the Gulf and then make a second landfall Wednesday as yet another hurricane, or as a hurricane status, and then eventually moving off to the northeast, losing its tropical status and becoming an area of low pressure. But before it dies out like that, it's still going to dump 10 plus inches worth of rain from Houston all the way up through Jackson potentially and into the New Orleans area. So this storm system is far from over. As we bring you back to the Tucson area, no, we're not expecting any boost from the tropics here. 102 for our high temperature for our Tuesday with just a 10% chance for showers and storms. That is not tropical in nature. That is just our garden variety monsoon chance right now. Our highs in Cochise County near 90 in Douglas, Bowie, and Wilcox tomorrow. Tombstone at 90 degrees for you. Low 80s for Bisbee. 90 in Sierra Vista and Sonoyta. 103 in Marana. 107 in Ajo. 105 in Sells. Tucson at 102. Oro Valley 99. Sarita at 100 and Corona at 101. Here's a look at the extended KGUN on your side 7-day forecast, staying in the triple digits here all the way through the work week. Chance for rain, slight 10% tomorrow. Back to full-on sunshine Wednesday, Thursday. Then a 10% chance for rain to round out the work week on Friday, and then 20% chance come Saturday and Sunday as our temperatures fall back to normal, which is 98 for this time of year. You'll want to follow me on Facebook. Look for Erin Christiansen, KGUN, with KGUN in all caps, to stay ahead of all of our watches and warnings and advisories this monsoon. Keep in mind, monsoon runs all the way through the end of September, so we do have just a little bit more than a month left to go of our rainy season and to pick up some more showers. We have already had 8 54/100ths of an inch of rain at the airport, whereas we typically only get about 6 800ths of an inch for the entire season. Of course, our rain paling in comparison to what Harvey is bringing on, but as far as our monsoon locally is concerned, we are definitely ahead of average. So watch us tonight for KGUN on your side at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock, and on KWBA, that's at 9 p.m. I'll see you for all 4 of those newscasts.